What up? What up? What up? So yeah, I just grabbed some ice, some water, some snacks, and I'm heading out right now. I'll see you on the road. Like going through this pass, because I've been to Pactola Lake. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But I've been there, I think, last week for the lake, and the drive there reminded me of going from Denver to Durango, Colorado. It's like this highway in the back that's beautiful, man. And this kind of reminds me of it. So it's just winding roads. I'm definitely gonna do this on my motorcycle. Got 10-12 miles to go. All right, so I think it's junction 385. So we're gonna make a left right here. Yeah, 385. Wow, look at that. There it is. Pactola campgrounds. Alright, just got here. Dude, it looks amazing. It's fresh outside too. So you guys can see kind of where I'm at. You can see the lake, it's literally right there. I'm definitely gonna go down there and check it out. But I wanna see if there's a hike nearby, definitely to do that. Yeah, I'm gonna set everything up, get everything ready. Alright, so I put these on. These sun and kind of mosquito protectors, so you can put the windows down and you won't get mosquitoes in. But what I did is I put magnets on, there. As you can tell, I put the foam on. It's not the best job cutting them out, but you know, for cutting them out in the back of my camper, this little car, you know, definitely that's not my best, but you know what, it's good enough. There you go. You see that hook? Hooks onto that, and then put the blanket over it, and that's about it. So yeah, I'm gonna have a snack right now. I know it's kind of dark, but yeah. So this is a Huskin. This is a jalapeno and pepper jack cheese beef stick, and man, these things are amazing. Super hungry. All right, so now you can tell I got the blanket on here. All right, I got everything ready and set up. I got the blinds. They're not really, you know, on there that well. I haven't really put them that well. I got my light up here. Got my cooler with my drinks, my food. This is where I'm going to store my kind of camping, you know, the camping equipment that I need to get to. And for tonight, I'm going to do the Mexican style beef bowl. And this is a little burner I got from Amazon right there. I think it was under 26 bucks. It's pretty big compared to my old one that I used to have. But yeah, it's a long hose right here that connects to my propane right there. I'm going to change it to some shorts and go throw out the trash, eat the rest of my food, and then go for a hike. So here's that little trail. It goes down to the lake. Let's see if there's another one, because I see there's some other trails that go up there, so gotta watch out for them ticks and mosquitoes. It's a nice drop right there. Oh, found this little, I was down there, I don't know if you can see those people right there. I was right there. I went all the way around. There's another little spot right here, private little beach. And you can see how these rocks, man, are like shards of rocks. Pretty cool. Man, it's beautiful. Let's see, I started, as you can tell, all the way down there somewhere. So I'm gonna keep on going and go for another 10 minutes, see where it leads me, and then head back. Definitely recommend this place. Beautiful, if you can get a spot. Right now it's June, end of June, so it was hot the last week in Rapid City and down here and the Black Hills, but today's amazing. It's like 67 or something, and cool breeze. The wind is pretty mellow right now, so it's amazing. So I think it goes up more, so I'm gonna follow a little bit more for 10 more minutes and then just head back afterwards. So beautiful. The lake's over there. You can see that boat right there. It's freaking calming right now. So yeah, I'm heading back. I couldn't get to that little spot down there, so I'm gonna head back. And I think in the morning I'm gonna go for a run, or actually I think I might run this trail because it was pretty nice. It's doable, so I might do a little trail running in the morning. And there's the rig. But hey, you can see the bubble wrap. That's not bad. Man, that breeze coming in through the window. Amazing right now. Oh yeah, right here. After a good hike, definitely need some good food. I usually eat pretty healthy, believe it or not. But so I'm gonna eat the other stuff, relax for a little bit on my phone, and then go out again on my skateboard, just cruise around. All right, kind of relax for at least an hour. I'm gonna go cruise around with my board. You know, might as well make some good time up, because I know if I lay down longer in the bed, I'll just end up sleeping. So, this ground's not the best. I see a trail board up there, so let's see what it says about the trail. If I have time to do it today, or if I should do it tomorrow in the morning, or run this trail, because it's pretty wide open right here. Well, there's that trail right there that goes to that boat over there. I'm gonna go on this one right here, check it out. Wow, look, man, that's freaking beautiful. I'll take a picture of this. Yeah, so it ends up over here in this little secret spot, and the sun's perfect. Look at that. Man, look how fresh that water looks. Alright, so definitely a good day. A lot of hiking. I at least did maybe 2 miles or something. Yeah, I think after this I'm gonna head back. Maybe make my food, and then I'm probably gonna go to sleep a little bit early, definitely early. Since I work 2 jobs, I don't get a lot of sleep, so it's freaking amazing. back in. There's a cool little double hill I had a bomb on my skateboard, which is pretty fun. But it's around, let's see, it's gonna be 7 o'clock in 10 minutes, so I think I'm gonna start cooking dinner. So I'm definitely gonna buy other equipment. This is some of the cooking equipment that I brought from home, just because I was trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it, if there's enough space, and thinking about so much other things, I kind of forgot to buy like camping cooking equipment, and I still wanted to see if I can go without it, you know, make it as cheap as possible. Like you guys seen my other videos of making this bed and stuff like that. Everything was basically free except for the screws and some other stuff. All this wood I got reclaimed from a bunch of pallets at my job. The bubble wrap I got it from my other job, and this other equipment I have it from moto camping. So bring some light in for the time being. Yeah, there you go. Look at that view. Well, you can't really tell, but lake, you can see the lake perfectly from over here. It's kind of amazing. But yeah, I got the propane dish, and I got, like I said, this Mexican style beef bowl, and this is from Alpine Air Foods. So it says no trans fat, gluten free, just add water, 660 calories, 32 grams of protein, a lot of sodium. Jesus. Well, that didn't go well. Oh, it smells like rotten eggs in here. Shit. Boil this water, and it says to fill it up to the number 8 right here. So I'm gonna do that, and then let me see if I could show you how it looks inside. So that's how it looks like. It looks like kibble. I could see the corn, the black beans, the rice, and the pieces of meat. So it smells pretty good. Alright, so we're gonna check out how it looks. It's been definitely more than 10 minutes, but okay. Maybe needed more water. Still kind of hard. Oh, I'm not boiling no more water. But for right now, it's pretty good for being a micro camper, man. I feel I could almost fall asleep. It's amazing. And the mattress that I have, it's a 3-inch foam mattress, and I folded it 3 times, so it's pretty comfortable. You know, it's a little short, but hey, for 20 bucks you can't beat that. So alright, so that was pretty good. I didn't finish all of it because it started getting hard again. So next time I'm gonna cook my own food, or next time I'll try a different flavor of something else and do it a lot better, because yeah, that was horrible. Or I'll just cook myself something small. Who knows, you know, try to keep everything as easy as can be. Leave the windows down so it gets super cold, put up the blinds, go on YouTube, and then go to sleep, man. I know it's only like 7:50 and the sun's still out. I'll probably just lay here, watch the lake, and then yeah. So I'm gonna clean everything up, and I'll see you in the morning for a run or a hike. I'm not too sure yet, but definitely gonna do something. So I'll see you in the morning. What up? Good morning. Slept pretty good. Woke up a couple of times. but the bed was comfortable. Woke up right now because it started getting hot. Started getting warm in here because I have the windows closed because it was pretty cold last night. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna go for a run. I think I'm gonna go down to that trail we ended up yesterday at, but probably stop by the restroom because, you know, gotta go use the restroom. So I'll see you on the run. It's nice and cool, so shouldn't be too bad. Alright, so I'm on the trail. I actually I'm gonna go down to the water first, and then I'm gonna go, there's another trailhead that leads to where I was yesterday. So I'm gonna take that one back. That's what I'm gonna try to do. Going to this trail, and it is a trail that leads back to where I was, so that's the way I'm gonna run back to my spot. So we're over here, so now we're gonna go down that way. All right, so that's the end of the adventure. I hope everybody enjoyed it. I know I did. It was amazing. The scenery out here is beautiful. But I want to thank my OG subscribers, my new subscribers, and the future subscribers watching this video. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment on this. So, until next time, we'll keep this adventure going. See ya.